Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about a big change to upcoming clan games and we're talking about distribute the rewards. The first big change was player point increase. Now per player can earn 10,000 points and that means only 5 player can complete the clan games. Here the small clans got big advantage to complete the clan games. Let's clear about the bonus point. Bonus point was 4,000 points. That means if you complete the 4,000 points, you can claim a extra bonus rewards. But if you still want to play clan games to complete the clan games for your clan, then you can continue to playing. On December, your clan need 50,000 points. That means only 5 account can complete the clan game. So I hope you now understand about the new update. Thank you so much for watching. See you on another video. Clash on.